She put this in her hair. It's amazing what happened after. Blackberries are delicious and extremely nutritious, being one of the most foods whose highest flavor/health ratio is. Blackberries are a product of the tree of the Maris alba. Its leaves, which also contain nutrients, and are even used as food for silkworms, are thin, bright and of an intense green color. The benefits of blackberry are multiple, being a tremendously useful food to help us improve physical health in many ways. Antioxidants help reduce the damage caused by free radicals. All the leaves of the mulberry, plants, stems and fruits, are extremely rich in antioxidants. One particular antioxidant, resveratrol, is especially useful for preserving our body against the negative effects of aging. Blackberries contain alkaloids that activate macrophages. Macrophages are white blood cells that stimulate the immune system, which put it on active alert against threats of our molecular health. Extensive research on the properties of blackberry indicates that the sources of glucose in blackberry are able to make us blood sugar levels, reducing our body's needs for consuming more insane sources. Based on traditional Chinese medicine, and from Trinidad and Tobago, they have created several home remedies to promote balanced blood levels, being the basis of effective recipes against diabetes. Dried blackberries are a great source of protein, vitamin C and K, fiber and iron. Best of all, it is that they are easy to get at any herbalist or naturist center. This type of food is suitable to prevent our body from acutrizing less easily, support certain viral diseases. But blackberries are not just for eating or liquefying, as they are also recommended for hair growth. In this video we talk about how to apply blackberry for hair growth. Ingredients needed: 100 grams of blackberries, 1 yogurt. Steps to make blackberry juice. As simple as putting all the ingredients in the blender and that's it. Now comes the most important part of this video. If you put blackberry liqueur on your hair for 10 days, you will notice that your hair has a lot more shine. Let it sit for 60 minutes every time you wear it. You will also notice longer hair. Try